This bespoke kitchen in Huddersfield was designed to complement the character of the property while creating a practical space for everyday use. The existing interior already featured exposed timber, oak flooring, and natural materials, so the kitchen needed to feel like part of the architecture rather than something added afterwards. A classic shaker-style design was chosen with solid European oak used for the doors and visible furniture details. Behind the fronts, the cabinetry was constructed using oak-veneered plywood, giving the furniture a strong and durable structure. The oak was finished with a matte lacquer to protect the timber while keeping its natural grain and character visible. The layout was developed specifically for the room, allowing the cabinetry, appliances, and storage to work around the existing architecture rather than being restricted by standard cabinet sizes. Black granite worktops and slate wall tiles add contrast to the warmth of the oak, while traditionally styled appliances reinforce the classic direction of the project. The result is a kitchen that feels appropriate to the property, but still provides the functionality expected from a modern bespoke interior. Designed, developed, and made by JS DECO in our Yorkshire workshop, fully bespoke kitchens and fitted furniture made to exact dimensions.